Distinguished colleague, I rise today on a matter of personal and collective privilege to defend not only my name, but also the integrity of this institution. Today, Sara and Curly Discaya have hurled reckless and shameless and malicious accusations that I, along with other legislators, supposedly received some of money from them in connection with DPWH projects. Let me make this crystal clear. These are outright lies and baseless accusations. This fabrication have no basis in fact and no place in public discourse. Daming tumawag sa akin while in the Basic Education Committee hearing. Nagulat ako. Una, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano ang aking mararamdaman. Kasi ni Anino, ni Sara o ni Curly Discaya, di ko nakita. I have never spoken to them, nor have I ever authorized or allowed any representative to deal with them. Panahon pa lang ng pagputok ng issue ng flood control na ipaliwanag na ng representasyong na ito sa isang committee hearing sa Metro Manila Development ng DPWH nang nag-e-elect ng project. Ituloy natin ang susunod na kabanata. Ang pag-a-advertise ng project sa PhilJeps, ang nagsaset ng date ng bidding, ang bidding itself, ang pagbabayad sa mga kontraktor ay lahat nasa DPWH. I do not have any hand in any of the process. Ang paratang ng mga Diskaya ay walang basihan. Hindi lang ito direktang pag-atake sa aking karangalan, kundi insulto sa aking mga kadistrito sa Lungsod Quezon na naghalal sa akin upang paglingkuran sila ng may buong katapatan at integridad. Ang trabaho ng mababatas ay magbasa at maging representante ng mamamayan sa pagbabalangkas ng national budget. Mukhang may political agenda ang pagdawit sa aking pangalan. Tama ba ang listahan ni Discaya? My track record in public service can speak for itself. I have never been charged nor been involved with any corruption. I will not allow myself nor the constituents I represent to be dragged into the mud by individuals peddling lies for their own selfish agenda. I say this without hesitation. I will hold them accountable. My office will launch an exhaustive investigation regarding this matter. I will also file a libel case against the Discaya so they may answer before the proper court of law for this deliberate action to destroy my reputation by deceiving the public. Let me add, Mr. Speaker, I fully support all ongoing investigation into flood control projects nationwide. Hindi ako papayag na nakawin ang pera ng taong bayan. Simula noon, Barangay Kagawad, naging kapitan ako, naging konsihal, unang termino bilang kongresista hanggang sa pangalawang termino ko bilang kongresista. Mamamatay ako at maninindigan sa marangal na paglingkod, ang buwis ng tao ibinabalik sa taong bayan. Let the truth come out. If there are irregularities, let be exposed. Mr. Speaker, this is a time for truth. This is a time for accountability, not character assassination. I will continue to serve my constituents faithfully, and I will never be intimidated nor silenced by malicious attack. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.